Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Through Videos with Pasal. On today's video, let's talk about common phrasal verbs. I'm Brett from Pasal. Alright, no more waiting, let's begin. Get at. What are you getting at? Do you think I'm to blame? Get away. I think we should get away for the weekend. Get by. Students without jobs have a hard time getting by. Get in. When did you get in last night? Get into something. How did you get into your car without the keys? Get off. You should get off the train in King Station. Get on. I'm trying to get on the flight to Brussels. Get on with something. After they split up, she had a hard time getting on with her life. Get on well with someone. Get on bad with someone. He doesn't get on very well with the other members of the committee. Get out. He had a hard time getting out of New York because of the snow. Get out of. Edna's trying to get out of working the night shift. Get over. Has he gotten over the flu yet? Get rid of. Please get rid of that old t-shirt. It's so bad. Get up. Will you please get up? You've got a class starting in 20 minutes. Give in. We will never give in to the terrorist demands. Give up. Morris gave up drinking 10 years ago. Go through. Andy went through a lot of pain after his mother died. Grow up. He's like Peter Pan. He never really grew up at all. Hand in. Please hand in your papers before Friday. Hand out. Susan volunteered at the shelter where she handed out warm clothes. Hang out. Which pub does the team hang out at after the game? Hang up. If you hang up now, I'll never speak to you again. Hold on. Please hold on, and a representative will answer your call. Hurry up. Hurry up and finish your lunch or we'll miss the train. Iron out. The two countries met at the conference to iron out their differences. Join in. Yes, David, you can join in the discussion anytime you like. Join up. There was a war on, so some kids were only 16 when they joined up. Keep on. If you keep on making that noise, I will get very annoyed. Keep up with. I read the paper every day to keep up with the news. Kick off. The football match kicked off at 3 o'clock. Leave out. Please check your form again and make sure nothing is left out. Look after. Andy, can you look after your sister until I get back? Look down on. She's such a snob. She always looks down on anyone who is poor. Look on. If you don't want to take part in the game, you can look on for now. Look for. Harry went to the shop to look for a new computer. Look forward to. I'm looking forward to my birthday. It's in 2 days' time. Look up to. I always looked up to my father. He is a great man. Make fun of. It's not nice to make fun of people in wheelchairs. Make up. That's a good excuse. Did you make that up yourself? Mix up. She had so many cats that she kept mixing up their names. Move in. Did you hear? Our new neighbors are moving in this afternoon. Well, I guess that's enough for today's lesson. I hope you all found it very helpful. So if you did, don't forget to give it a like, and we can make more interesting videos in the future. And by the way, we now have a free trial course for beginners, and it's totally free. So check it out. I'll leave it in the description box below. I'm Brett, and see you next time.